Okay guys, ever wanted a stylish way to show two different product variants side by side, letting customers drag and compare in real time? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely interactive. Today we're adding this before and after section to your store, so let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link, this takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here you can install any app based on your needs. Right now we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it, the process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK before and after number 2. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK before and after number 2, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its settings open up on the left side. First option here lets you choose between 3 different layouts. I'll go with the first one. Below that is width, which is already set to max. There are a few text options below that too, but I don't need those right now, so let's go straight to adding the before and after images. I've already downloaded these same reference images to show you. Below that comes height, which already looks good. After that, I can also add separate images for mobile, which is actually quite important since over 90% of customers browse from mobile. Next comes the before and after text itself, which you can adjust based on whatever difference you're showcasing, along with its text color. Below that comes the colors, which already look perfect, so I'll just change the handle icon's color to complete black. And last but not least, there's corner radius and margin, both already set to 0, and I'd recommend keeping them that way too. After all that effort, just hit save and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.